Well, for today's homework, I did some data frame with Netflix data. And for this, I download Netflix CSV from the site called Yahoo, and use this line in Pandas to make a framework. I mean, data frame. And in this line, I try to get values from this data frame, but in the numpy array type, as you can see. And in the second one, I took volume columns values as a data frame type. And in this line, I tried to plot some graphs from these values. And in the first graph is this graph, which is marked with green, and this graph is the graph of volume series, and I say color is green and style is dashes, and legend true. It means it will show that this markdown it will show this markdown with using legend. And in the second line, I took data of the closed column and plotted it, and it turned out like that. I say it must be blue, and as a type, I took this kind of type, and I said legend is true. You can see legend is true, and I showed it. That's what I got. And in the second, as you can see here, it's just a line. It's not a graph. So I tried to plot it separately, and it showed me a graph like that. So I don't know why this happened, but this is what I got. And in the last line, I just tried to make a histogram out of it, and I made it with the color yellow and with the bins 6, which means I will have 6 buildings, as you can see. Basically, that's all for my homework.
Okay, start.
Well, my question is, this graph remained as a line here, but here it showed me a full graph. So my question is, what did I do wrong here?
To better understand this, okay, let's try. So can you just, instead of volume, can you like anything, for example, high or like low,
Okay.
instead of volume series, can you do this? No, I'm not. Can you assign something else to the volume series, not volume? Do you remember?
Oh.
In the previous lines.
Here?
Yes, instead of this volume, can you assign anything else? Just like Netflix data volume, yeah.
Let's say low.
Oh yeah. Can you run this again? Oh yeah.
Okay. I need to run the problems.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Can you remove the styles because it's like pretty weird to see?
Here?
Yes, everywhere. No, everywhere. Yeah, in the bows. Yeah, can you run it again? So like So do you see why?
Because of the values.
Yes.
Oh,
Like
okay then.
wait. You didn't get it? Like, so for example,
Okay.
for example, low, you just printed low, right? Low.
Yes.
And the close is just has like close values to each other. Like for example, if this is like 0.7, while this is like 0.85. Okay?
Oh, okay.
But when you do like when it's like volume and the close is like here is like 300 and here is just like 1.70.
Oh,
So
okay.
like for example, it's like this is our graph. Okay, so for example, volume plays around 30 and like 30 and 200 and 300. Okay, this is,
Okay.
so for example, your volume is let's say like starts from this and like this and then goes like this. Okay, for example,
Yes.
your close is like here 1 and 2.
Oh,
So it goes like this actually, but it's more squeezed and you can see because of this.
oh, okay.
Like for example, here look, your graph is like 400 and like your graph is around 250 and 450. Yeah, okay. So it plays around this
Yes.
250, 450, but your volume is more like bigger. So that's why it's like did you get it?
Yes, yes, I did.
Okay.